You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still, like dust, I'll rise. Does my sassiness upset you? Why are you so beset with gloom? 'Cause I walk like I've got oil wells pumping in my living room, just like moons and like suns, with the certainty of tides, just like hopes springing high. Still I rise. Did you want to see me broken? Bowed head and lowered eyes, shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my soulful cries. Does my haughtiness offend you? Don't you take it awful hard? 'Cause I laugh like I've got gold mines digging in my own backyard. You may shoot me with your words. You may cut me with your eyes. You may kill me with your hatefulness. But still, like air, I'll rise. Does my sexiness upset you? Does it come as a surprise that I dance like I've got diamonds at the meeting of my thighs? Out of the huts of history's shame, I rise up from the past that's rooted in pain. I rise. I'm a black ocean, leaping and wide, welling and swelling. I bear in the tide, leaving behind nights of terror and fear. I rise into a daybreak that's wondrously clear. I rise, bringing the gifts that my ancestors gave. I am the dream and the hope of the slave. I rise. I rise. I rise. Hey winners, I have great news for you today. Jenna Collection sent me some free hair, girl. Yes. This is my first hair review with hair that I did not purchase myself. They sent the hair pretty quickly, and this is what the box looks like. Like, it's super mad long. Like, super mad long. This is me just opening the box with my box cutter. You know, just keeping it simple. Ta-da! Honey, as soon as I saw this hair, I fell in love. Now, please do not pay attention to that slit. I accidentally cut it when I was opening the box, but that's okay. Doesn't make me any less in love with this hair because it is popping. This is the Janet Collection Expression 3x 36-inch kinky bulk hair. There is so much hair in here. I mean, like, OMG, oh my god. I've bought kinky bulk hair before and I've never seen this much hair in one pack. Kudos to you, Janet Collection. There are so many different styles that I can think of that can be done with this. Kinky twist, crochets, Afro wig. Honey, the possibilities are endless. In total, there were 4 packs of this hair sent to me, and in one pack, there are 2 bundles. One pack of hair can definitely go a long way. I feel like with one pack of hair, you could do a full head. They also sent me this free Moroccan Remy paddle brush. Let's get into the reason why you're here. Let's start the tutorial. With the hair, I'm making a wig today, an Afro wig. I'm starting by putting my wig cap on my mannequin head and pinning it down with my T-pins. The hair is voluminous and very soft. I'm really glad that it has these small rubber bands on it because it helps to keep the hair organized and separated. And trust, when you're doing crochet braids, that's very important. So here you see me cutting off the straight ends on the hair. For each section, like this, I separated it into about 3 or 4 pieces. I'm starting with my first crochet at the back of the head, and with this style, I just do what I normally do and I knot it twice. In order to save time, I separated all the hair in advance. I'm also going to speed up the video because I'm pretty sure you've seen crochets many times. This is just me separating the hair in advance before crocheting it. This seems like it takes more time, but it's actually making my job a lot easier. I'm now at the very top, the front of the head where I want my part. Right here, I'm just crocheting the hair in a forward direction so that it falls in my face. I also make sure that right where I want my part to be is where I space the hair very closely, because honey, you do not want that wind to blow and your hair to look crusty. Been there, done that, don't like it, don't do it. This is the final product of the install. This is before I cut it or shape it to my face. Not bad. So in the back I spaced out the hair more because I didn't want it to be too poppin', so it looks like that. And with this style, a little definitely goes a long way. In the front, I definitely spaced the hair much closer together because it just makes the part look way more natural.